G'day, it's Michael O'Connor from Gessner. I'm in Toowoomba today to have a look at some equipment that's just been completed. There's a number of machines. They're heading to all different parts of the world. Just wanted to show you a few things. You just come around here. These are some fertiliser bins for a billet planter. We've got 2 billet planters. They're 3-tonne capacity. They're a new design billet planter for sugarcane. This new design allows us to be able to put 2 into a single container, 40-foot open top high cube container. They can slot in quite nicely. It really does reduce the freight component when delivering these. These are going across to Indonesia to a large sugar operation. Once they get on site, the fertiliser bins and external ladders will be fitted. Essentially, everything else is complete. We come over here, we've got the Predator cultivator with fertiliser bins. It's an 8-row machine. This is heading across to a corn operation in Thailand. They've also got a nice hilling rig and 7-shank rhino ripper going to the same project. These look like some rippers for a grader, a couple of graders. They're heading down to Victoria. We've got a large project that we're just completing now for Ethiopia. It entails kitting out a number of dozers. That'll include folding stick rakes, as well as a number of cutter bars, drum seeders, and also rippers. They'll be leaving to go to Djibouti by the middle of May. We also have a rhino ripper that's going to a very good customer of ours over in Cambodia. They've just received 5 billet planters and 12 stool splitters for their sugarcane operation. If we can help you out with anything at Gessner, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.